Hi, Eddy Sanchez with VPhysiqueNYC.com. Today I'm bringing you my 4 golden rules to start the perfect training regimen. Let's get right into it. Rule number 1, check with a doctor. Make sure that you know you're physically okay to start the training. Your body goes through a lot and you can get hurt. Remember, most injuries happen while training, so you want to make sure you're 100% before you start. Rule number 2, you want to make sure that you just get started. A lot of people say they're going to start, they never start. 20 years from now, they're going to be like, yeah, I'm going to start, and they never start. You can't win a race, you never start. Just remember that. Get started. Rule number 3, be knowledgeable. Look at a YouTube video. Find out more about fitness. Just learn a little more and have an idea of what you want to accomplish, whether it's lose 20 pounds, whatever you want to do, just make sure you learn a little bit about it, right? Rule number 4, the most important, set goals for yourself. Make sure that you set like a yearly goal or a 6-month goal. You want to make sure that you have goals and you stay on track. Okay? If you have a trainer, they'll probably keep you on track, but just make sure you have your own personal goals to get started. Okay? So those are my 4 golden rules to start the perfect training regimen. If you guys have any questions, leave comments. Just ask me directly at ephysique@yahoo.com. If you like the video, press like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time.